Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if the copy and paste is not working on your Windows. So let's go quick into the process on how we can fix copy and paste not working on your Windows. So first is I suggest that you need to make a restart of your Windows. Right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. Try restarting your Windows first because this will refresh all the system processes of your Windows. If restarting fixed your problem, then good, but if not, then you need to move to the next methods. For the next method is you have to switch on using the control keys on your keyboard. So look at your keyboard, you have two control keys right there. One control key at the left and one control key at the right. So if the control key on the left is not working, then use the control key on the right. If the control key is not working on the right, then try to use the control key at the left. Just switch on using the control keys on your keyboard. And for the next method is we also need to click on the start button, go to settings. In the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on system. Scroll down and look for troubleshoot. Click on other troubleshooters. Now here you need to look for the keyboard. Now in my case I don't have it, but if in your Windows you have the keyboard troubleshooter. So let's say for example this is keyboard and it has a run button corresponding to it. So you have to click on the run button to run the keyboard troubleshooter. Now running the keyboard troubleshooter, this will help you detect and spot the issue that you are facing on your Windows. Other from that, it will also give you suggestions and recommendations on how you can fix the issue. So just simply follow what it suggests or what it recommends for you to fix the issue. Then close this window. In the Windows search bar, type here Task Manager. Click on it under the best match. Maximize this. In here in the search bar, type Explorer. Windows Explorer will be available. We are going to restart the Windows Explorer. So simply make a right click and then select Restart. And wait for all the icons to be back on the taskbar. Now once done, close this. Then click on the Start button, go to Settings. In the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on Windows Update. Just simply click this button. It could be checked for updates. So once you click on that button, this will check for updates and download and install the latest updates for your Windows. So once done, close this. Then we can also try running the SFC scan to scan for and repair system corrupt files. So in the Windows search bar, type here CMD. Best match command prompt on the right pane, click on Run as admin. In here, you need to type SFC space / scan now. Hit enter. Now this process will take some time, so let's just minimize this for now. Then in the Windows search bar, type here clipboard settings. This one, click on it. Then you will find here clipboard history. Save multiple items to your clipboard. Press the Windows toggle key and V to view your clipboard history and paste from it. Now if this is switched on, just simply switch this off. And once done, close this. Then bring up the command prompt. Now if this is completed, once this goes up to 100%, what you're going to do, just type exit or simply close the window. And then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. So if any of the solutions helped you in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.